Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're having a wonderful day. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to change your document settings. For example, let's open this document and let's say that I want to change the size of my artboard or the units of measurements that I used before, or I don't know, change the bleed options or etc. Okay, so to do this, go to File and click on Document Setup, or you can use the shortcut key Alt Control P. So let's click on Document Setup, and from here you can click on Edit Artboard and change, let's see, Edit Artboard. You can change your artboard. You can make it either bigger, smaller, or do whatever you want. So again, let's go to Document Setup. You can, from here, you can change the units of measurement. For example, change it to centimeters, or I don't know, whatever you want. And from here you can change the bleed options, which is right now on 0. You can change the grid size, which is the background of your artboard, and even change the color of it, as you can see, like this one, and change your preset resolution. And if you go to this tab, Type, from here you can, for example, change the language to whatever you want. You can change the double quote, how this double quotes are shown. For example, change it to one of these, like this one, for example. Or you can even change the single quotes to whatever you want. And here we have superscript, subscript, and small caps options that we will not change them right now, and we will talk about it later. And here we have the export options, which is to either preserve text editability or appearance, which currently I'm using editability, because when you give your client the final work, they might change the text how they like. So it's their work, so they have to have the option to change it, and that's why I'm using the text editability. And finally hit OK, and that's it. So we're done with this lesson. See you in the next one. Have fun.